Syiko sya maovisa mavutu kunyamaasya enenthi kuvikiia na kumoa kavindani ka maandamano muthenyani iyoo kulilikana amuika ala moaiwe maandamanoni mwaka muvitu mainena kavinda kala mathokea ala manakwatie maumisi sipitalini wa Kenyatta kuya ilovi Atongoi ingi ni makuolia serikali imekie mbini ethiwa yona nimo manahungamie maandamano. Asukale mbuchalo no kulipoti.
Ndini wanene mwaka imwe naandiki maovo anemenda serikali kweka kuvongela ngui ndini wa maundumeo kwa nyathayo wa muika ulona andamana na kwenda mbema Musyoka ingina syiko sya mwaka muthelu sya kuaa muika na kunengana livoti yena withianu yulu wa kila kiendeye na kila kiendeye muthenyani wa maandamano maiyo.
Let's go back and have an open public inquest on everything that has happened before, because sometimes things happen and when it's an opportune time, they are misused for political purposes. The three of us who are standing before you here have served as cabinet ministers before. And the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka has served as vice president. We need to be true to our responsibilities and come forward and speak to the public and share the information that we have, so that these things are not used for politics.
Kwa sababu ya yale ambayo yalitokea jana, it is now enshrined in our country's history that the 25th of June going forward is a day that Kenyans will be looking at as one of those public days that we honor, like Madaraka Day and other days, the day of the Kenyan youth. And as I said yesterday, going forward, it will not be celebrated in infamy of the type we have witnessed, and it will be honored, and the future generations will be very proud.
Fred Matiang'i ni wenda serikali weke omailela mavitu mako kwata mbau muika na kuvangithia maandamano na vatili yake kumasikata uneni ulawa kwa tomba Ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka.
It's very clear. As a lawyer I can tell you that facts speak for themselves. We saw what happened when the Albert Ojwang demonstrations were happening. Even the goons themselves came out confessing. So please don't drag the opposition into things that are as plain as daylight. We know it. They will of course try and attempt to do this and the other. But even lying or insinuations require a little bit of intelligence. These things are very good. So we know where.
And actually, even lying requires a bit of common sense.
Yes.
Because the question is this: ask yourself this, and then by the way, we shouldn't make excuses about public responsibilities.
Yeah.
So if the opposition are organizing these things and causing this, unangoja virimbi ya nani kukamata hao watu wa opposition?
Kamata wote.
Yeah. If you have facts about it, you are saying so and so is funding this, so and so is funding. Why are you telling us a story? It is a statecraft 101.
Yeah.
Government officials, whether they're cabinet ministers or anybody, should never ever make allegations. Why? Because they have the instruments of power, they can act. So they make allegations and tell you to do what? Because you cannot arrest those people. Instead of telling us it's so and so is doing this, tell us, arrest them and take them to court.
Nemenda imwa Ndongoi sya serikali kweka kutania na ene tangi nondo makea kwose viso ya syiko itemba ilu na inge viso ya maandamano na kuwa kwa muika huu na kulicha uteti ndene wa kilengesene.
That we have state-sponsored groups. When President William Ruto toured Nairobi, I think he was here for 1 week. All the leaders saw the goons that came out that were financed by both the president's team and the governor's team. 1 week, everywhere they went, we saw what the goons did. Many of them were seen being paid, lining up.
Kaleb Chalo, Atongoi TV, Vilingi wa maovo.